Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Basis channel. Today I am going to show you how to log in Aflac stock step by step. First thing, go to the browser and type Aflac stock login. And press go button. And now you can see the first link of stock market. Click on it. And now you can see below the sign in link. Here you can click on it. Click the login button here on the top of the Aflac logo. And finally, you are in the login page of Aflac stock. Now, if you are first time user of Aflac stock, please click on the create profile button and follow unseen instruction. And if you want to link account on Aflac stock, you can combine multiple accounts into one profile as well. If you forget your username or password, you can recover by clicking forget password or forget username button. And here are some security reminder as well. The security reminder is: do not share your confidential information such as social security number across channels such as email or text. If you have anything find suspicious activity, please report the given number. You can enter your username and password and simply press the login button. And that's how you can log in Aflac stock. You log in into your Aflac stock account is straightforward with these steps. Please ensure that you keep your login details secure and update your contact information regularly to avoid any access issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any question, please feel free to leave them in the comment below.